Hello, myself Divya Thakkar. I'm working with Sufalam Technologies as a senior mobile app developer. So, in this part, we will see how we can make purchase of in-app purchase product in our iOS application. Before making any purchases, first you have to check that any current subscriptions are there or not. So for that, I have created one method. Here is it will return as a first parameter. You have to show the subscription purchase product screen or not. So this first boolean value indicate that. Then second one return the product ID of the last purchase product, if any. And then third one will return the expiry date of the last purchase product, if you have purchased any. And last one indicates that any auto renew is enabled or not. So in this function, we are using verify receipt URL of Apple that will return all the details of current Apple user whose transaction for your application. So for this, you need a shared secret, and you can get this key from your App Store Connect account in in-app purchase manage section. Now, if there is not any purchase made before, then select any in-app purchase product from your product listing screen and make purchase for that product. And to make purchase, I have for that also I have created one method purchase. In this, you have to pass the ASCII product type product whichever you want to purchase. So pass that here, and on completion you will return the alert ASCII product which is purchased, and ASCII payment transaction means transaction details of that payment. In this function, in first it will check that your device is able to make purchase or not. If this will return true, then ASCII payment method is initiated with product you have passed with this product, and this payment is added in ASCII payment queue. Once this this payment is added in this queue, its delegate method will call payment queue update transaction. If this transaction is failed, then this case will be called, and this will return that product purchase is failed, and this will finish the transaction for this. And if it is successfully purchased, then this is called, and in complete purchase product completion, it will return the alert message that this product is purchased successfully. This will return product which we have passed for purchase for payment, and in last parameter it will return the transaction, and and from that you can get all the transaction details related this product payment. So once this things is done, from view controller side, you can use like this. Suppose this function is my button click function. This is IB action. So on this purchase function, I have passed the first product from my list. In return, I will get alert, product, and transaction. Here I have checked that product or transaction is null or not. If this product or transaction is not null, then if you want to show that this specific product is purchased, then you can reload your table view or collection view, and for that particular product you can show that this product is purchased. And if you want to show the transaction history or details, then you can store the data through this transaction variable. Suppose if you want to get the transaction creation date, then you can write like transaction dot transaction date. This will return the transaction date of this product purchase, and you can store all the details related to this transaction for future use or to show the listing in backend side. So once this all thing is done, if you want to check everything, you can create the sandbox user in App Store Connect, and using that sandbox user, you can check this purchase and go through all the points. So in purchase, product setup and purchase is done. Coding is done from our side. I will post this in a purchase product handler function, and this file which I have created in you can see this in comment section. You can use in your application also. And if you have any query, concern, comments regarding this topic, then please let me know. We will get back to you soon. Thank you so much.